Hey, well today we're planting trees out here, little baby trees. We've got about 1,000 to plant out here. Won't get them all done today, but actually today we're opening up some new ground we've never had planted with Christmas trees. If you've been around, you've seen that we've added some areas each year, and I've got about 3 more long rows to add this year. And so I'll take you out into the field and show you how we do that. So the first thing we do is we have these rows separated by about 8 feet. Some of the rows are about 10 feet apart, and you can kind of see how that works there. And we have a little drive down area here. So what I'm going to do is we started a row here last year, a little short row, and I'm going to extend it. So we're going to stretch it out all the way down there. This holds about 50 trees per row. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive a stake here and measure how far it is over to the other row, and I'm going to go all the way down to the end and drive another stake and run a string down through there. And then as I plant, I try to keep my rows straight this way, and somewhat straight. I'm not too good at that, but anyway, it works for me. And so that's what I'm doing today. See all the way down there. As long as the wind's not blowing, it should give me a good straight line, even with the existing part of the farm down there. The mature trees you can kind of see over the hill there, and it should give me some good straight rows. All right, let's go drill some holes. All right, so the way our trees come is in what we call plugs. And these little beauties here, so they they kind of look brown right now, but they're just dormant, and so that's healthy. They're doing just fine, but they have this wad of roots and a little bit of soil there, so we call them plugs. And the way that we make a hole for plugs is I have a little auger on my drill right here, and it's called a tulip auger, and it drills a perfect size hole. So I am just going to go down through here and drill all my holes, and then I'll come back and start putting the plugs into the holes.